Hi, I'm Adam with Versatrans, the best in custom transfers and custom vinyl. And I want to talk to you about our EPT transfers and how they can be a great fit for your growing t-shirt business.
If you're looking for custom screen printed transfers that are highly durable and offer that soft to the touch feel, then you definitely want to go with transfers that are printed using plastisol ink. Our EPT or error-proof transfers are custom heat transfers that are printed using plastisol ink and allow you to place artwork onto t-shirts and other garments using only a heat press. You can choose from our palette of over 100 spot ink colors for your artwork, and there's no limit on how many colors you can choose. Gang as many designs as you can fit onto our 13 by 19 inch transfer sheet. If it fits, it prints. Place your order by 12 noon, approve your design by 6 p.m., and your order will ship the next business day. And for our error-proof transfers and customers in the US, orders of $149 or more can be upgraded to overnight shipping at no additional cost. Then, once you get your transfers, just cut them out, press, and peel. We're here to help you grow your t-shirt business. And with the fastest turnaround time in the industry, long-lasting durability, and no screen or setup fees, we're confident that our EPT transfers are a great choice when it comes to speed, quality, and affordability.
Now, if you have any questions about EPT transfers, leave them in the comments below and we'll be sure to answer them. You can also visit us at www.versatrans.com, or if you like talking with humans as much as we do, give us a call at 888-414-7604. I'm Adam with Versatrans. Thanks for watching.